Here's a short animation I put together while at the School of Visual Arts in Manhattan back in 2005 and 2006. It was inspired by my cat named Squeegee, who barfed a lot. Enjoy.
Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah. Blah. Hey. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah. La 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 la. La la la. Blah. Blah.
Okay, that was Pasta Sauce for Cats, created mostly with Autodesk Maya, Photoshop, After Effects, and Flash. I spent about 4 months creating this. The process included materials, texturing, lighting, rendering, editing, and compositing. I had a blast working on this with 20 or so other 3D artists at the School of Visual Arts in New York City. In the process, I learned a lot about storyboarding, 3D character rigging, and animation. When the time came to add effects like the explosion, I was surprised at just how easy it was to generate these effects in a 3D software package like Maya. If I were to create it again today, I might use Blender and After Effects or DaVinci Resolve. A lot of the techniques that I use now for creating 3D on the web, I was first exposed to while learning 3D animation and effects 15 years ago. Ideas about modeling, basic lighting ideas like warm and cold light sources, particle effects and forces, and scripting to control the behavior of particles, fluid effects, caching, random number generators, and seed values. I rely on these tools often and without thinking about it. So my suggestion for you, the creative coding artist, is to study 3D by digging into a package like Blender and take in the ideas of 3D graphics from wherever you can. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.